In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to obtain the EPP code from GoDaddy, an important process if you wish to transfer your domain to a different registrar. The first thing you must do is to sign into your GoDaddy account. This may seem like a simple task, but it's a crucial first step in gaining access to your domain settings. Make sure you enter your correct login details to avoid any unnecessary hiccups further down the line. Once logged into your account, our next stop is the domain portfolio. This is the centralized hub of all your owned domains on GoDaddy. It may take a moment to locate this page on the user interface, so take your time and navigate through the system carefully. The third step requires a bit more focus. From your domain portfolio, you need to select the specific domain that you wish to transfer out. When you've located and recognized the desired domain, click on it, and this will open the settings page for that specific domain. This is where we will start the transfer process. After opening the domain settings page, your task is to find the Transfer or Additional Settings section. The placement of this section could vary depending on the layout of your page or any updates in GoDaddy's system. Always remember to take your time and explore the page if you're having difficulties. Once you've located the transfer section, look for the option that says Transfer to another registrar or Transfer domain away from GoDaddy and click on it. This important step lets the system know your intention to move your domain to a different registrar, so it is vital to confirm the correct options. If your domain is up to date and there are no remaining restrictions on it, you should be able to see an option that says, click here to see authorization code. The authorization code, also known as the EPP code, is like the key to unlock your domain for transfer. Be sure to click on this to proceed to the next step. Finally, your EPP code will be displayed for you to copy. GoDaddy conveniently provides a copy to clipboard option to ensure an error-free transfer of the code. Simply click on this, and you're all set. You now have your EPP code ready for the transfer. In summary, you have signed into your account, navigated to your domain portfolio, selected your specific domain, located the transfer options, clicked to reveal your EPP code, and copied it for use. Transferring domains may seem complicated, but with a guide like this, you can make the process a lot smoother. Thank you for following along with this tutorial, and happy transferring!